Next organelle is lysosome. Lysosome is a very small organelle that is present inside the cell. Inside the cell you have your nucleus, you have your endoplasmic reticulum, smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum, you have your Golgi apparatus. A very small organelle you can refer to as lysosome. Lysosome is nothing but it is a bag of enzymes. Okay, it has got main function. It is, see, like in a hospital setup or in a township, you have incinerators. What are their functions? We use this to destroy the waste materials that is produced in a township or hospital. So similarly, in the case of a cell, whatever waste material is formed here is destroyed with the help of a lysosome. So lysosome helps in protecting the cell, okay, by destruction of all the foreign material with the help of enzymes that are present within the lysosome. It has many number of enzymes like protein hydrolyzing enzyme, carbohydrate hydrolyzing enzymes, lipid hydrolyzing enzymes, etc. So one thing should be noticed, that it is okay as long as the membrane is intact. The enzymes can act only locally, only when there is a foreign particle coming. But if there is any breakage in the membrane, the enzyme will be released and it will damage the surrounding tissues. Lysosomes are involved in protecting the cell from foreign molecules. So what happens once they identify foreign molecule? There are other mechanisms also involved, endocytosis and phagocytosis. All these mechanisms together, the foreign particle will be engulfed by the cell membrane. Okay, suppose this is, we'll study endocytosis and phagocytosis in detail. For the time being, the endocytic vesicle that is formed, that engulfs the foreign particle. This is your foreign particle. This or phagocytic vesicle, that is also engulfing of foreign particle by macrophage or granulocytes. Those bodies also, what will they do? They will come and attach to the lysosome. So this is your primary lysosome, combines with endocytic vesicle or phagocytic vesicle. It's called as a secondary lysosome. Okay. So both these vesicles which are having foreign particle, they will come and attach to your lysosome. Endocytic vesicle attached to your lysosome, phagocytic vesicle attached to your lysosome. So what will happen? The enzymes will be released onto this. It will attack the foreign molecule and destroy all the foreign molecules. So after complete destruction, the rest of the remnants will be taken up by the cell.